So in today's lecture, we shall discuss the futurity. Now let us understand what is the meaning of futurity. The term futurity is a noun. Okay, the word futurity is a noun, which means something that will happen in the future. Okay, or an event which can take place in the future, that is called as futurity. So something that will happen in the future, or a state of being in the future. A state of being in the future is called as futurity. Now we know that there are various expressions. There are various expressions with the help of what we can speak of future. We can speak of future. Now which are those expressions? Okay, let us begin the first expression by the simple present tense. Now with the help of simple present tense, we can talk about something that is yet to happen. With the help of simple present tense, we can talk about something that is yet to happen or something that may take place in the future. For example, so today is the day and you were traveling today at night or today in the evening. Okay, and you know that. So with the help of simple present tense, what you can do, you can talk about that scheduled action. You can talk about that scheduled action, and that is called as futurity. For example, if I say the train leaves at 4 p.m. the train Haripriya Express leaves at 4 p.m. from Belgavi. If I say so, this is something which is scheduled. This is something which happens every day. So here I am saying in the morning, I am saying something which can happen in the evening, okay, or at night. So in the present time, you can talk about the time which is yet to come. So you can talk about futurity. You can talk about futurity. So this is the train leaves at 4 p.m. This is what we are talking about, the time which is yet to come. We are expressing that can take place in the future. And another example, Neha goes there in the evening. Okay, so every day Neha may go there, or every day Neha might go there. Maybe it is garden, maybe she goes for a walk every day. Okay, so this is how today, you can talk about the time which is yet to come. So you are talking something that may happen in the future, or something which will happen in the future. So the college closes at 5:30 p.m. Our college closes at 5:30 p.m. So these are the scheduled actions which can happen, or which will happen after a gap of some time. The time which will come. The time which will come, or something that will take place in the future. Something that will take place in the future. We can also use present progressive tense. We can also use present progressive tense to talk about future actions, to talk about future time, or to talk about futurity. The first example, I am meeting my friend tonight. Suppose if I already pre-planned, okay, if there is a definite action, if there is a definite plan, definite arrangement, then we can use present progressive tense or present continuous tense to talk about that time, because we have already decided that. We have made a plan of it. So I am meeting my friend tonight. So I am talking about the time which is yet to come. Another example, the CM is visiting us tomorrow. The CM, the Chief Minister, is visiting us. It means he has not visited us. Okay, he is visiting. Action is planned. It is definite. Okay, but it may take place in the future. So tomorrow is yet to come. So this may happen in the future. So this is how we can talk about a definite arrangement or plan that can happen in the near future. That will take place in the near future. At the same time, we can say, as you know, the cases of coronavirus, okay, are increasing. Okay, patients are increasing. So we can say the Maharashtra government, okay, or they are launching the new guidelines tomorrow. Because of the occurrence of fast cases, Maharashtra government is launching the new guidelines, or we can say they are launching the new guidelines tomorrow. Means what should be done, what should not be done. This is the time which may come, which is yet to come. Rather than that, we can say the time which is yet to come. We are speaking in the present. We are speaking about the future. At the same time, you know, all of you have planned to participate. There will be function. Sankalpana function is there, and all of you have a definite plan now. All of you have planned. So you can say we are participating in the function. We are participating in the future. So we can use present progressive tense to talk about a definite arrangement or plan in the near future. In the near future. At the same time, we can use simple future. Okay, simple future tense. You can use future indefinite or simple future tense to talk about something that will directly happen in the future. Okay, using future time, we can talk about something that will take place in the future. Okay, for example, I shall study hard to get a good marks. I shall study hard to get good marks. Even it will rain tomorrow. This is possibility. Okay, this is possibility. Here, the first intention is I shall study hard to get good marks. I am determined. It's my duty. Okay, I am determined to do that. Next one, it will rain tomorrow. Because of the climatic conditions, okay, because of the climatic conditions, we can say that it will rain tomorrow. So this is possibility. This is possibility. Even you can say she will learn English soon. She has determined. She is determined and she will learn English soon. This is her determination. Even I can say I will get a job. I know that. I am confident. I know that. I am determined that I will get a job soon after completing my graduation. So this is how you can talk about determination. Even if someone calls me, my mobile will ring. This is how the action follows. My mobile will ring. Possibility. What happens when somebody rings you? What happens at the time? Your mobile rings. So my mobile will ring. Possibility, which is likely to happen. Which is likely to happen. So now, as I said you in the beginning, the time periods, they are divided into three ways. Three different periods we have. The first one is the past tense. The second one is the present tense, and the third one is future time. In modern English, we don't have future tense, as I told you last time, and again I am revising you. In modern English, we don't have future tense. Future is a time. Why it is a time? Because it refers to something that may happen. Okay, it indicates time. It indicates time. So because of this reason, we cannot call it as a what? Future tense. Why we cannot call? Because we don't have sixth verb. Okay, we don't have sixth verb which completely shows that action will be taking place in the future. Like we have V1, that is the base form, right? What is the past tense of write? Wrote. What is the past participle? Written. Okay, what is the present participle? Writing. What is the VS form? Okay, that is writes. So if you compare V1, V2, V3, V5 or VS, rather than 5 you can say VS, we don't have any verb which clearly indicates that action will take place in the future. As in Marathi, to ail, to jail, to khail, to peel, there is a verb which shows that there is a tense, future tense. Likewise, in Hindi also, wo aayega, wo jayega, wo khayega, wo piyega, there is a verb which indicates that something will take place in the future. Okay, but we do not have in English a perfect verb. Only what we do is with the help of a modal verb. Only with the help of a modal verb, what do? We extend the time to the certain future. We extend that time into next future. So I will come there. This is something that will take place after some time. Okay, maybe in the future. But if I remove this modal verb, if you see, if I remove this modal verb, where will this meaning go? This meaning will go to I come there, which is present tense. So here the meaning will come here in the present time scenario. Okay. Now, as I told you, with the help of simple, present and even future tense, we can talk about the futurity. Okay. So by being here in the present tense, you can talk about something which may happen in the future. Possibility, okay, prediction, possibility or belief, you can talk about that. Okay, in present tense, we can use simple present tense to talk about the actions which are pre-planned or actions which are scheduled to happen. Okay, they are bound to happen in the future. So in present time, we can talk about what? Future time. Okay, the time which is yet to come. So simple present can be used, present progressive can be used to talk about the future time. At the same time, we can use future aspects like simple future, future progressive, future perfect, progressive can be used to talk about something that can take place. So this is how the futurity can be expressed. The simple meaning of futurity means something that will happen in the near future, something that will happen in the near future, or an event which will take place soon, an event which will take place soon. And there are various expressions, with the help of which we can speak about the futurity. We can speak about the futurity, or we can talk about something which will take place in the future. Okay, is it clear to you? This is something we can talk about.